In this video, we'll take a look at 3 exponential equations and how to solve them. Let's start with equation number 1. Here we have 1 over 5 to the power of x equals 1 over 25. We want the same base. In this case, on the left-hand side, we have 1 over 5. And on the right-hand side, we have 1 over 25. We want the same number on both sides. Notice that we can write 25 as 5 squared. Now the 2 in the exponent, we could bring it out here. And the reason for that is 1 squared is still 1, and 5 squared is 25. Nothing changed. But now the bases are the same. 1 over 5 and 1 over 5, which means that the exponents are equal. X equals 2. Therefore, our solution is 2. Let's take a look at our second example. Here we have 1 over 4 to the power of x equals 1 over 64. Same thing, we want the same base. We have 1 over 4 on the left-hand side and 1 over 64 on the right-hand side. Notice that 64, we can write it as 4 to the third. Now the 3 in the exponent, we can write it here because 1 to the third power is still 1, and 4 to the third power is 64. Nothing changed. But now the bases are the same. 1 over 4, 1 over 4. Therefore, the exponents are equal, and x equals 3. 3 is our solution. Now let's take a look at our final example. 4 to the power of x squared equals 2 to the power of x. Same thing, we want the same base. Notice that we can write 4 as 2 squared. Now to simplify this, we'll take 2 and multiply by x squared. So that's how we get 2x squared in the exponent. Now the bases are the same, 2 and 2. Therefore, the exponents are equal. 2x squared equals x. Now let's solve for x. First, let's move x to the left-hand side. Now let's factor x. If we take away x from this term, we are left with 2x, and if we take away x from this term, we're left with 1. Now we have x equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. Let's solve this one for x. First, let's move 1 to the other side. Now let's divide by 2 on both sides. Our solutions are x equals 0 and x equals half. Don't forget to subscribe for more.